January 11, 2026, a 24-year-old Hispanic man was arrested following a high-speed vehicle pursuit on State Road 82 in Lee County, Florida. Florida Highway Patrol (FHP) trooper attempted a traffic stop on a vehicle traveling at speeds exceeding 100 miles per hour. The driver, Marlon Watsbeli Rivas Gomez, failed to stop and accelerated away from the scene. During the pursuit, the vehicle traveled down State Road 82 at speeds more than 50 miles per hour over the posted limit. To end the pursuit, an FHP trooper executed a precision immobilization technique (PIT) maneuver, which brought the vehicle to a stop. Following the tactical stop, Rivas Gomez exited the vehicle and fled on foot. Law enforcement personnel pursued the suspect and took him into custody a short distance away.
Westbound 82 and 40th. That's one pit. Turn eastbound State Road 82.
Rollover, pit rollover, pit rollover, pit rollover.
10-4 pit rollover.
Let me see your hands!
1843, I'm coming your way.
See your hands! Let me see your hands! Rollover. Let me see your hands! Let me see your hands! Your hands!
1522, no audio in your portables.
On foot.
10-4 on foot.
We are south in trees.
10-4 south in the trees, landline with 1049.
Hispanic male, no shirt, black pants, heading eastbound, Fallon Favor 82.
10-4.
Okay, sir, have a safe ride.
Rivas Gomez was booked into the Lee County Jail on the following charges: aggravated fleeing to elude law enforcement, 5 counts of reckless driving causing property damage, 5 counts of driving under the influence, DUI, causing property damage, resisting an officer without violence, driving without a valid driver's license,